Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my theory tuition series where we're working together through the ABRSM Theory Grades. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets and you can download those in US letter or A4 and they accompany each step of this series. You'll find a page there with links to all my YouTube video tutorials, and you can also find information about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day when you're actually working through your exam paper. So if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really fab, and please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated. There's lots more to come. And now we're going to continue with the paper C of the Grade 3 2014 past papers. So if you turn with me now to page 11, I'm hoping you've had a go of these first. It doesn't matter if you go wrong, you'll learn by those mistakes. Always write in pencil. And so now we'll check through these together. Now this next question, and actually question 5 as well, is all to do with our keys, scales and key signatures. So I always find it helpful to write out the circle of fifths before I even start a paper, and then all that thinking is done. If you're not sure how to do that with all your major and minor keys, you'll find a link in the description, also in the cards. I've done a video explaining how to work out that circle of fifths progression of key signatures. So check that out, and once you've done that, all your thinking's done. And so now we'll look at this together. Using semi-breves or whole notes, so we don't have to worry about stems, we're going to write 1 octave ascending, so we need to be going upwards. Oh, I think my pencil's on its way out. There we go. Of the melodic minor that has this key signature. So we need to make sure we follow what this key signature is, but then we may need to add additional sharps or flat signs. In fact, we will have to do that. Now this is the key signature. The major key signature is A major, and our related key to that is F sharp minor. So we need to start on an F sharp. So here's our F. And then we need to just make sure we go in steps. Scale literally means steps. So we go in space, line, space, line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there we've got F sharp to F sharp. And now we just need to make this melodic minor. And if you remember, the steps are, we use the related major key signature. When we are ascending, we raise the 6th and the 7th. When we're descending, it's the key signature only. So we need to count up. We're going upwards because this is ascending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 6 and here's 7. So we've got D sharp and E sharp in addition to our key signature. Let's move on. So the next one, again using semi-brief, so no need to worry about stems. We're writing 1 octave descending, so we're coming down now of the scale of A flat major. However, this time no key signature but any necessary sharp or flat signs. So first job is to get the notes in place. So let's get these note heads. We're descending, so we need to start on a pretty high A. So good boys deserve football always. There's our A. And if we just come down in step, give yourself plenty of room for your accidentals. There we go. So A flat major would have a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats and D flats. And so let's put those in place now. So B flat is here. Now if you're not familiar with this clef, if this isn't a clef that you're used to reading, depends what instrument you play. If you find it difficult to read, you could even just sketch the letter names. Remember, we're descending, so make sure you write them in the right place. So B flats, E flats. Now A flats will come twice because we begin and we end on that. And then D flats. And then because that's a major key, that's it, nothing else to add. Let's move on to the next question. So we need to name the key of each of these tonic triads. So we've got two things that will help us. We've got a key signature. That could tell us whether it's major or minor, however. And so we also need to look at the tonic, the bottom note, and that will give us our key note. So for example here, this is an F sharp, and if you've done your circle of fifths, you will know that that means it could be G major or it could also be E minor. And so we need to work out what this tonic note here is. We're in the treble clef, and so if we count up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it takes us to G, so we know that's a G an octave lower. Alternatively, we can count backwards from C, C, B, A, G, so we know it's G something, and we know with one sharp that will be the key signature for G major. So let's look at this next one. So this key signature is B flats, E flats and A flats. It could be E flat major or it could be C minor. So let's see what our tonic is, our key note. And we know that the bass clef, all cows eat grass, so there's a C. C major would have no sharps or flats. C minor, however, this is the correct key signature. So we know that's C minor, and there's our first, third, fifth, C, E, flat, G. So that makes sense. So here we have a key signature of B flats and E flats. It could be B flat major, it could be G minor. Our key note here, our tonic at the bottom, every good boy, is B flat, and we know that that's B flat major. And our first, third, fifth, B flat, D, F, that would be correct. So here we have a key signature of 3 sharps, so it could be major, it could be minor. Our key note here in the bass clef, all cows eat grass, all, that's an A. A major has a key signature of 3 sharps, A, C sharp, E is our tonic triad, A major, there we go, job done. Now this last one, we're in the treble clef, our key note, every good boy deserves football, is F. It can't be F major. F major would only have B flats. However, F minor is related to A flat major and has a key signature of 4 flats, and so that's correct. So we know that that's F minor. There we go. And that's the end of that question. We'll look at the next question in the next video. I do hope you're finding this helpful. I hope that you're enjoying it. I'm certainly enjoying working through it with you. If you can give me a like, that would be really super. Please do subscribe to my channel to keep updated. There's lots more in store. And please also do visit sharonbill.com and make use of all of the resource and information that's available to help you there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.